Are you looking for a way to add some retro styling to your S650? If so, then you need to pick up these rear window louvers available at CJ Pony Parts. The black rear window louvers are made to be a stylish upgrade for your S650, and they're made out of a high quality ABS plastic, so you never have to worry about them getting damaged easily. The best part is they come in this textured black finish, which matches the rest of the S650 trim very nicely. Also, these are going to be super easy to install. We should be able to knock it out in about 25 minutes, so let's go ahead and jump into it. The first thing we have to do is clean our rear glass before installing the brackets for the rear louver. So inside the kit's going to be these brackets here. It's going to be a piece of metal with a stud on it, and then on the back side there's going to be some double-sided tape. So to do this install, it's pretty simple. After you clean your rear glass, you're just going to peel back the red part of the double-sided tape here, which getting the red strip off is probably the hardest part of the entire install. Okay, now that the hardest part's done, I'm just gonna lift up on the louver here, put the stud through the hole of the louver, and you can kind of hold it from the inside here as you're laying it down. Get everything nice and lined up. And once you have it lined up, you push down on it a little bit. After you get your bracket in there, you're gonna grab a washer, throw that on top, and then one of these caps that are also provided in the kit. And you'll just put it on, just kind of loosely put it on for now. And then from this point, we can just work around the louver, get all the brackets put on, and then in the end, we'll tighten these up. Real quick, as you're working your way around putting these brackets in, you are going to notice you have one that's a lot smaller than the rest. This smaller one is going to go in the top middle of the louver. So like I said before, once you're done with all the brackets, you're just going to install these washers to each stud. And then put the caps on them. And then once you have all of these loosely on, we'll go back over and tighten them all down. When tightening these down, you do not have to tighten them too hard, just enough to where you start to feel some tension on them. Just gonna do this all the way around. Well, we're all wrapped up today's install, and I gotta say the best part about this install is the fact that it's so easy to put on our S650. Like I said in the beginning of the video, if you give yourself about 20-25 minutes, you'll have it on here and no problems. The great part about this rear window louver is that it has a nice tight fit to the back glass of our S650, so we shouldn't have any fluttering or vibration issues when driving down the road. But if you want to pick up these rear window louvers for your S650, hop down in our description below. We have a link down there that'll take you directly to our website, but it is time to drop a gear and disappear, and we'll catch you on the next one.